Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be installing Element 3D version 2.2. Right, so just run the installer and in barely about a few seconds it'll be installed. Now first things, you need to make sure Adobe After Effects is not open. Now if it's open, then you run the installation, it's definitely going to install, but you're not going to have an update on your plugins. So you make sure it's closed, and once you're done installing, locate these files, copy them, and head over to C, Program Files, Adobe After Effects, Support Files, Plugins, and Video Copilot, and you paste them in this directory. Now once that is done, yeah, that's pretty much it, and you should be good to go. So we'll open up Adobe After Effects 2024 and let it run. Okay, so once we let that run, just give it a moment. This is the first time I'm booting. I'm actually loading it up after boot, so it's gonna take a while. All right, once it's opened, just create a new project. Open a new project, and as you can see, it's right here, Elements 3D. So I'll just create a new composition so we can load it up to layer. Just create a new solid or layer, whichever one, and you drag and drop onto that layer, and just give it a moment. This is the first boot up. Okay, just close that. Yeah, looks like we're good to go. Yeah, so just open up the scene setup so you could see the interface of the Element 3D version 2.2. And as you can see, everything is fired up and active and working. All good. Yeah, so if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. You can find more information in the description. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.